Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the location services on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it of course. In settings, find the option called there should be option called privacy and security. Yeah, there it is. So find the privacy and security and tap on it, and here tap on the location services, and right here we have the settings for our location services. If you want to disable the location services, you can tap on the switch right here and tap on OK, and the location services will be disabled. You can also disable the option to find your network. That you can enable these options by tapping on the switch again if you want to, and if the location services are enabled, you can disable the option to share your location. And basically that's how you enable and how you disable the location services on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.